Hey there everyone! So today I'm going to unbox this gorgeous, majestic Pharaoh Atem Funko Pop. It's way bigger than the normal Funko Pops, but it's really gorgeous. The details are amazing and it's so majestic. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. So I'm going to compare it to a normal Funko Pop. As you can see, there's a huge difference in sizes between both. And this Pharaoh Atem Funko Pop is transparent from both sides, the right and the left side. However, the normal Funko Pop is only transparent from one side. Also, the top piece is very different. The normal Funko Pop has a normal carton top. However, the Pharaoh Atem has a transparent top, as you guys can see. And with this Pharaoh Atem Funko Pop, if you can tell, you have a background cardboard, and the normal Funko Pop, there is no background. It's just plain cardboard. I think the only downfall of having a very big Funko Pop is that it's not easy to find a clear case for it, but if you take good care of it, it should be fine. Now let's continue with the unboxing. As you can see, this is the background cardboard that I was talking about. So it's really cute how they have a background. completely in love with this gorgeous Atem Funko Pop. I totally recommend adding him to your collection because he's so well made and the details, the whole thing is just amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed unboxing this Funko Pop with me. Till next time, bye!